Good morning. This is your weekend bento boxes. You guys watch those videos? My kids love them. So this is Augie's lunch for today. It's Monday the 23rd of September. He's having a little cinnamon applesauce. Then he's having some snap peas and some ranch dip. This is leftover sauteed chicken from last night. Just chopped it up this morning. I made a huge batch of it. So we have lots of leftovers for lunches and for other things this week. And then we have some Caesar salad croutons. So I know this one seems a little bit strange, but really they're just crackers, right? So Augie loves them and he'll have a nice little snack on those today. See you tomorrow. Okay, I didn't get it quite right yesterday, so I'm gonna try again. Good morning. This is your daily dose of bento box. My son is cringing. Okay, so it's Tuesday. This morning, Augie has some applesauce, some homemade oatmeal cranberry cookies, and in here, creme de la creme. Chicken pot pie from Costco. They have their chicken pot pies in. They are so delicious. And that's what we're having on this Tuesday. Good morning. It is Wednesday, and this is today's lunch for Augie. He has a croissant with butter and peach mango jam on it. Then he has some cookies. So that's the sugar section of this lunch. Oh wait, no, here's some apples. So there's more sweetness in this. And then to try and balance it all out, I put in some roasted chicken chunks. So it also has this little fork, I don't know if you can see it, for eating them. It's something I got at Daiso. It says happy on it. And then this is packed in an Easy Lunch Boxes bento box. And here's what came home in Wednesday's lunchbox. All gone? All gone? Not quite all gone. Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday. I apologize in advance if you can hear construction noise outside while I'm shooting this. They started jackhammering the street outside my bedroom window at 7 o'clock on the dot. So I'm in a fine mood today. This is what we're having for breakfast. Oh my goodness. This is what Augie is having for his lunch today. So he's got pot stickers from Costco. These are the first time we've tried these, so we're gonna see how they go over. Then we also have some cucumber and some sugar snap peas. I didn't have enough cucumber to fill the whole thing, so I put a layer of sugar snap peas down below them. And then we have some homemade oatmeal cranberry cookies. Now, this is a lunchbox I haven't actually used that many times. It's called like the all silicone lunchbox. Of course, I'll link it down below in the comments, in the description. But it's cool because the lid and the body of it are silicone, so you can of course microwave it or whatever. But here's the thing I like about it. I like that it stretches. So like these cookies were just a little big for the space, but they just stretched out the silicone and they fit. And that's always what I like best about silicone lids or whatever. So anyway, that's a cool feature of this lunchbox. And that's really all I have to say about it. So I will see you later today. I'm gonna show you the after picture if I remember. Or maybe I won't, I don't know. See you tomorrow. Morning everyone and happy Friday. So I'm sorry, there's lots of construction noise outside again. Hopefully you can't hear it. This is Augie's lunch for the day. He has the last cookie, only one, some sugar snap peas, and then these are honey barbecue chicken wings. We buy them frozen and they're a great choice for when we don't have any fresh food around to put in lunch boxes, which I feel like has been all week. Both my kids totally love them, and they're a good treat for lunch boxes. So it doesn't feel like, oh, Mom didn't buy groceries, which is exactly what happened. So that's it for the week. Thank you so much for watching. I always enjoy having you here. If you like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll keep making them. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I've got several weekend bentos in the archives, and I'm planning to make a lot more. I also have lunchbox reviews, and then I also do some paper crafting. So I'd love to have you around. Have a great weekend. Bye.